So we're gonna go to the Fairy building to get some ingredients. We're making morel pasta today. It's my requested birthday meal and Julian's gonna be making it for me. Really quick outfit of the day. Vintage Burberry jacket, my Chanel wallet on chain. It's the blue lambskin, Lululemon leggings, Zara turtleneck, Air Force Ones. Can't forget the sunnies. We'll see you guys later. Those morels. Hi guys, so we're at the Salesforce Park Beer Garden. It's our first time here. We ordered some beers and empanadas. Cheers, man!
Hi everybody, we're in Salesforce Park.
Let's get the empanadas. You excited for the empanadas? There's curry inside. How's it? Which one do you like more? Me too. Yeah, we're coming here again. It's cold, so we're gonna go home.
Everyone we can move with pasta.
What are we doing first?
We'll be soaking the morels in waters.
Oh, the morels. Because it was hard earlier, now we have to soak it in water to make it soft, okay? For the sauce. Now we're gonna make
the pasta. Papa, we need to let it turn golden.
Did you make the pasta for mommy?
I'm so excited for mommy's birthday. I'm so excited for the meal with pasta.
Yay! Thank you for making it for me.
Thank you. You're welcome.
my favorite. May I see Sebastian for making the pasta? I love it. What a great birthday dinner. Thank you.
Happy birthday to
Mommy.
Happy birthday to
Mommy. But wait.